Welcome to Alight Motion 2025, where we're excited to introduce our new QR code scanning feature. Alight Motion has become a favorite among creators worldwide, offering powerful video editing and animation tools that are simple to use. Let's dive into how you can easily access the QR code scanner. Step 1. Open the app and tap on the Import button. And now, let's see how it works. As I scan this QR code, watch how our project imports seamlessly into my workspace. Using QR codes within Alight Motion allows for quick project sharing and enhances collaboration with fellow creators. Want to create your own QR codes? Use platforms like QR Code Generator or Canva to easily customize and share your projects. If you experience issues while scanning, make sure your camera is focused, the lighting is good, and the QR code is clear. Here's what our users are saying about the new QR code feature. It's a game changer and so easy to collaborate now. Stay tuned for more updates. We're dedicated to enhancing Alight Motion with even more features in the near future. That's a wrap. Dive into the exciting world of QR codes and explore the new features in Alight Motion 2025.